Well, I'm currently the area sales manager for the UK and Ireland, so I support all of our distribution partners in that region. FLIR stands for forward-looking infrared. We make thermal imaging cameras and acoustic cameras and software that goes along with that as a complete solution. We're mainly here, and one of our biggest markets is to do with reliability and maintenance. So thermal energy, for example, being one of the main drivers and indicators of when some equipment, motors, electrical panels need to be looked at more closely. Rapid Electronics help us reach the right customers because they've got contacts with people in reliability and maintenance, and they've got a great team of guys there. I know the engineers there. They're very much hands-on, very knowledgeable as well, so they really understand where our products fit and they can introduce us to those right customers. Rapid Electronics have got great relationships with their customers, and that enables us to talk to these customers directly and offer our solutions. It's exciting to work with Rapid Electronics and the wider group. Rapid are a pan-European partner for us, so we work with them across the whole of Europe. Very important focus for us to work with partners who have that big footprint, because it opens up markets. It also opens up industries and customers who are also pan-European. So that support can be provided throughout the whole of Europe.
So I'm Ed Roberts. I am the EMEA Key Account Manager for Brainboxes. So we are a designer and manufacturer of trusted connectivity products. We've been around since 1984. We're based in Liverpool, just a stone's throw from John Lennon Airport in South Liverpool. My role is to support and care for our distribution partners around Europe, Middle East. The great thing we feel about Rapid is, as a SME manufacturer, we really pride ourselves on the way that we go above and beyond for our customers. Having a distribution partner who we feel has that same mindset, who's willing to get into the long grass with a customer, who's willing to talk to the customer, communicate with them, help them, and be focused on the solution for the customer, makes it a hell of a lot easier from our perspective. To have someone who has that same ethos as a partner is great, and that's where we see Rapid fits in. The most honest way I can answer that is Rapid are one of the easiest companies for me to deal with as an account manager. So I deal with an extensive amount of distributors. Some of them can be a challenge. Some of them you feel like you really have to work to get your voice heard with them. With Rapid, I have never experienced that. I've worked alongside Rapid for 3 years, and they've always had an attitude of being proactive, responsive. I feel like they've had our best interests at heart. Yeah, very good, easy company to deal with from a manufacturer and a supplier's point of view. One of the things which has really excited me over the last maybe 6 to 12 months in my conversations with Rapid is they've got some really exciting plans for the future. They've got an action plan which sits really well with us as a manufacturer, and we see how it's going to sit really well with their customer base as well. As a UK manufacturer who is experiencing really great growth at the moment, we see that Rapid has got a really, really good spot within that growth, and we're looking forward to seeing how that increases over the coming kind of weeks, months, years.
We are CRC Industries, and we do a range of different solutions for MRO in manufacturing. That's cleaning, degreasing, aerosols, lubrication, metalworking, polymer processing, etc. We also do a biomedia parts washer for anyone that needs a parts washing system in their engineering room. We have 5 different brands that we operate in the UK. Our biggest being Ambersil, second biggest being Action Can. We do Contact Chemi, which is for electronics. Evaporust, which is a magical solution, basically a water-based solution that gets rid of rust. And then we have Smart Washer, which is our bioremediating parts washing system. Rapid help out because they have these relationships already built with our end users, your customers. The great thing about working alongside Rapid is that when the conversation needs for it, they will then bring us in to see the customers, and we can give them the special expertise and attention needed so that we can always find the right solution needed for the engineering departments.